Hello future engineers, congratulations. You have cleared the exam, the SRMJ, and now is the time for the most strategic part of this entire process, that is the counseling. I know that this part can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. My name is Rakhi Jaju, and in this video I'll be taking you through the entire SRMJ counseling process step by step. I'll be covering the official schedule, the choice filling process, the fee structure. I'm going to make a separate videos for the documents you need and the crucial mistakes you must avoid. So by the end of this particular video, you'll have a clear action plan. So let's basically get started. First thing first, let's see कौन सी important dates हैं for phase 2 round 1 counseling के लिए. So rank list was declared on 23rd of June at 2 p.m. You should have your rank card by now. ठीक है. Choice filling window opens on, please mark this particular date, 25th June at 1 p.m. and it closes on 26th of June at 11 p.m. So you have just over a day, so be prepared. Talking about seat allotment result, the result of your choices will be out on 28th of June at 3 p.m. Now talking about fee payment window, if you are allotted a seat, you must pay the fees between 28th June to 7th of July. Well, please double check these dates on the official website srmist.edu.in to ensure there are no last minute changes. Now first of all, let's break down what happens in each particular step. The counseling process can be broken down into few simple steps. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1 क्या है? Check the rank and log in to the portal. You must visit the official SRMIST admission portal and log in with your application number, password, date of birth. तो एक डैशबोर्ड आपको देखने को मिलेगा for the entire process. Step 2 क्या है? Choice filling, the most important step. This is where the strategy comes in. You have to select your preferred campus and branch combinations. Prioritize your preferences, not your rank. So आप fill कीजिए the choice you want the most at the top, even if you think your rank isn't good enough for it. The system will always try to give you your highest possible preference. Step 3 क्या है? Seat allotment. 28 June को the system is going to allot your seat based on your rank, the choices you have filled and the number of available seats with them. Log in into the portal to see your result. Step 4 है, you need to accept the seat and pay the counseling fee. If you are happy with your allotted seat, you must confirm it. This involves paying a total of near about 1,10,000 rupees. This is composed of rupees 10,000 for the registration and 1 lakh as a part of your first year tuition fee. So you can pay this online. Okay? Now don't miss this particular deadline, otherwise you are going to lose the seat. Step 5 क्या है? You need to download the provisional allotment letter. Once your payment is successful, you can download the provisional allotment letter. This is your official proof that you have secured a seat. Save it and print it. Step 6 क्या है? Full fee payment. The balance tuition fee for the year must be paid before the final deadline. ठीक है? In order to confirm your admission permanently. Step 7 क्या है? The last step, document verification and reporting finally. You'll be needing to report to your allotted campus either online or in person as instructed for document verification to complete your admission process. तो ये 7 steps का मैंने particular आपको काउंसलिंग प्रोसेस बता दिया है. आई होप आप इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करेंगे, काउंसलिंग को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से लीजिएगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन मिस योर चांस टू बी इन वन ऑफ द गुड कॉलेजेस. सो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. वेरी सून आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ वीडियो wherein I'll be talking about the documents you will be requiring basically for your admissions to the colleges. Till then, take care and bye-bye.